Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with today's news. I'm a familiar setting ahead of the match where Arsenal won't play against Southampton. So they're going to ask Arteta say how the match will be. So Arteta going to explain say if we check now, because say Southampton they are hurting bad. Arsenal sef they are also hurting again because Southampton chop 6-0 but Chelsea and Arsenal lose 2-1 for their last match against Brighton. So for this match now, both teams need a response to get to push their stuff forward. So I never know how the match will be. So anyhow the match will be, you know, say Arsenal will collect the 3 points, but that's what we are going there to fight for. So that's what it just be. And meanwhile, I ran the 4 for Lagos Surulere like man this early morning. This is around to 6 a.m. where I dey shoot this video like this. So in case they hear some kind of background noise, I'm on a rain and nature. I'm still on the media setting, so they're going to ask Arteta about Lacazette. They're going to ask and say Lacazette miss training, so how far now what is up now? So back on to say now a private matter you get, say they no go gas tell the public. So the guy miss training fine, quite and go to a private level. So I don't want to know what really up you get. So the match they go play today against Southampton, some people they talk to maybe Arteta go drafting Mika Biarritz. Mika Biarritz now those under 21 side who they collect for. I think we have Fulham they buy him from. The guy scored 21 goals last season. Even this season, under 23 league, the guy now scored 10 goals already. After some days ago, he scored 2 goals against Man City. So the reason maybe they go draft him, come for this match, he come play. Either they go start in KT, come bring Mika for second half. I never know how they want to do all these things. Yeah, today, we'll see what's going to happen. At the same time, the country they ask Arteta say whether they consider to play Emil Smith Rowe as a false 9. So Babacon talk say they for like to play the guy. After all, the guy is our highest goal scorer with 10 goals. He get goal sense. But the problem is say he no dey 100% fit to play that kind of position because for you to play first time, you need to be very energetic. You go very mobile. The guy no dey 100% fit. That's why they no really reason go that corner. So they no reason go that side for now. Then after pre-season preparation, we don dey on the way as Arsenal dey really say they wan head to America. If you notice for the previous pre-season wey we do before the season start, we supposed to go America go play the Florida Cup against Inter, Millonarios and some other teams. But because of coronavirus, we no come go. So we no really enjoy our pre-season. But this time around, we are going back to America. So maybe we will play the cup again. I never know. Go dey watch. Our Thomas Partey don dey set to miss the remainder of the season from wetin we dey get from our sources. Get they don say the injury wey get na strong one. Say if he no miss the remainder of the season, na the grace of God you get. So that's just it. Even Arteta sef confirm say they dey try make the guy come back, make play at least some of the games wey dey available. Initially we hear say na just the month of April, but come be like say that early prognosis be like say e dey very wrong. But from the look of things, he's going to be out for a very long time. Well, just pray they recover because at this crucial stage of the season, because they get big injury to our most crucial players. Imagine having Tierney out, having Partey out. What's it called remain now? Everything else scatter be that. Now even the two will just dey face now. I'm still on the media settings. They when they ask Arteta about Nuno Tavares, whether he will still play the guy for left back. So Arteta call it talk say the guy dey doubt himself for that left back, and if a player dey doubt himself for a position, the worst thing you can do is to put the player in that position, tell him to play. E no make sense. You need to keep him out, let him observe and build back his confidence and come again. So all indications dey show say Granit Xhaka na go fit play that left back again, unless something touch Arteta mind, he go put Nuno Tavares there. Well, hold the word because all of us, majority of us, dey clamour say make dem still put Nuno Tavares there. The best way to build your confidence is for them to give you more game time. You no give you more game time, normal, your confidence supposed to be dampen, it's supposed to be reduced. So you know what Arteta dey talk say the guy didn't know, saying they doubt himself and never really know. And the bad part be say this is coming at the time wey we say we no get any room for error. We can't give anybody any time to acclimatize or to get balance or to build confidence. So e just dey unfortunate. And that Xhaka wey dey there, if we play am there again, we go deplete our midfield. That is another thing because that 4-3-3 e no make sense. Well, I never know how Arteta go reason all this thing because this man has a daily man in his front. Hope you dey watch. Ralph Hasenhuttl wey be the Southampton coach, But come outside, they talk say almost they go come bounce back against Arsenal. That big loss wey dem lose against Chelsea, that 6-0, say say humble them, and you know they good again. They no fit come dey afford to lose back to back again. Say for this match against Arsenal, they won't come bounce back. Na still part of the thing why they talk say both teams dey hot again. Na wetin I don talk in the beginning. Both teams they lose woefully again, so they no fit afford to come lose again. Well, and we say we no need draw, we no need lose. 3 points now we need. So unfortunately for Southampton, I go do some bias small, so I go wish them see we can stand match them. Newcastle don hold talks with Paulo Dybala according to Corriere dello Sport. Again, they really say they won't carry the guy on a free transfer. I know say they won't become the big man for football. You know, they are older than money plenty, so salary no be issue. So, but whether Paulo Dybala go leave all the big boys come join Newcastle for a new project, we will kick off in the next 2-3 years, yeah, because by then they will don't buy some kind of extra superstars. Want to take them to the promised land, maybe break into the top 4. Maybe they first start with Europa League, yeah, break into the top 6, go to Europa League, then acquire more players. We never know whether Paulo Dybala will reason them. But for them to even get the mind, get to talk to Dybala, they get big ambition going. Michael Owen don come and say I come dey drop im own prediction for the match wey Southampton go play against Arsenal. So Babacon talk say he dey see Arsenal winning this match 2-0. Say e dey important for Arsenal. So Arsenal no fit afford to lose this match, so Arsenal go win. Especially when you see say this Southampton they get many injuries and they no get the firepower to defeat this Arsenal. Arsenal they always enjoy for St. Mary's. Arsenal don win their last 2 games for here. So if they expect the same thing to continue, well, you never know how it will be. But the watch, whether what you went up, it will come to pass. According to Amado Tony Spirit, they call the Sun, Arsenal and Manchester United, they lead the race to sign Max Aarons from Norwich. Max Aarons now Norwich right back. So Arsenal and Man U, the reason say they won't sign him. And I also know Arsenal lead and pass because Arsenal won't sign the guy as a deputy for Tomiyasu. You get as it could say the guy fit overtake Tomiyasu, so we say Tomiyasu going to get niggling injuries. Manchester United need the guy as a competition for Wan-Bissaka because they believe say Wan-Bissaka no get enough rival. If he get better rival, and he play very well. Well, we never know where the guy go last. So hold the watch. On my monetary spirit, they call to Juve. Don't come outside. They let us know say Morata will reject any move going to Arsenal. So the guy know the reason to go Arsenal. Not just Arsenal, say maybe he get one kind of bias or hatred for Arsenal. He don't want to go EPL because he say he get bad memories for EPL, especially that London when he joined Chelsea. They don't really play well. It comes like maybe he would like to play one for EPL. Well, we never know how everything will solve. Now waiting to Juve they tell us whether the guy will change mind in the past because previously we hear say the guy dey willing to join Arsenal. Now we hear say he no wan join EPL again. I never know which one to take. Well, more the watch as things end. You know, when the end of the season don dey come closer, things will be more and more clearer. For the match wey Arsenal wan play today against this Southampton, so many questions wey from people dey ask now. Who go start? Who go play as number 9? Shey they go use Nketiah, abi they go use Lacazette? Which one be say Lacazette don miss training before the match? Shey that one na sign, na indication say Lacazette no go play. They no just wan make it be say Lacazette dey fit. They come play Nketiah. They wan make it be say Lacazette dey injured. They come throw in Nketiah. Abi na Mikabieret they wan put there. Who they go put for that outstanding 9? I never really know. To the watch. But a lot of people dey clamour say make dem give Nketiah a chance because Lacazette no really prove himself in the past games so we don't play. Some people say they thought Lacazette is still good, saying they do something meaningful for that place. Well, which one we will take? Oh wait till we see the lineup. Our McLaurin wey be BBC pundit itself don come outside and predict the match wey Arsenal go play against Southampton. Arsenal dey go away. So Baba dey talk say he dey see a 1-1 draw for this match. And the reason be say Southampton don lose 5 of their last 6 matches again. So he no expects anything less than a draw because they no go like to lose again. Which happen now? Say Arsenal on the other hand don lose 3 of the last 4 games. With them said we dey expect okay, they need to get back to winning ways ASAP. Well, I never know how everything will turn out. Go to watch. So many people they ask me questions. Say Sir CHUKS, what's go happen if West Ham win the Europa League? What's go happen? Shey Arsenal go Champions League? I know many permutations. So the Coco be say if West Ham win Europa League, West Ham they go Champions League. That is the truth. So West Ham go Champions League plus the top 4 wey they go again. So it could be saying that 5 clubs that they represent England for that Champions League. Then Arsenal will come end for 5th. Arsenal will go Europa League. That's another thing. If Arsenal end for 5th, they will go Europa League. If Arsenal end for 6th, they will still go Europa League. As long as any of the top 4 win the FA Cup. If any of the top 4 win FA Cup, Arsenal end 5th or 6th, Europa League sure. So that's just it. But I'm gonna enter match of the day. Southampton versus Arsenal. About today, Southampton will host Arsenal for St. Mary's Stadium. But I'm gonna check their head-to-head. For the last 5 games for here, Arsenal win 3, draw 1, and lose 1. Our last season we win 3-1 for here. Arsenal and Southampton both need wins to salvage their team's progress. Arsenal feel likely add Mika Bierret for match day squad. Who knows? And check and see if he continue for live back like as I don't talk before. So for this match, we don't even need to keep an open mind. We're supposed to win again. If nothing happen, nothing bad happen, because normal Southampton is supposed to knock them. But that's what you just do for Brighton. Brighton don't lose like 6 straight. Lose. Out of the last 7, they lose 6. They meet us, they knock us. But with this one, we die here. We're not supposed to lose anything apart from a win. Now we don't want for Champions League matter at all. Europa League will one day in doubt. So more just the watch. No go end for 7th. I think it go bad. Well, for the watch at 17 will turn. So if you don't watch this issue, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of the day and get them out.